When sizing for your child's school uniform, start with measuring their height. Firstly, ask your child to stand against a wall without any shoes. Make sure their feet are flat and they are standing straight. Ask your child to look straight ahead and mark with a pencil against the wall where the top of their head sits. Your child can now move away in order for you to measure from the pencil mark to the floor. Keep the tape measure straight and without any slack. You'll now have their height to use when sizing for their uniform. Check out the size guides for more information on the Trutex website.